can see an example what it is having. Yes. So we don't require this one model content. So we can see where we did mistake. Okay, so this is our, so this is that one. So you don't require. So we will see the content later part. Okay. So then after that, so we are removing this dialog also. So then now we can see it. Yes. Okay. So that is what. So we have to open another. So this one we have to open it. Okay. So this one we have to open it. Control div class equal to model content. Model content we have to give. So then inside model content, div plus model box content. Okay. So here it is. So box is open. So then now, so we can create the property divisions. So here inside we can place any content. So first we are created button. So this is normal button primary. So it's a data-bs-toggle. So we are opening the model. So then example model for each and everything we have to give one unique ID. Same model, same thing. Okay. So the next one is the backdrop static. So this is not required. Okay. So the next one, model dialog center, model dialog scrollable. Okay. Model dialog Excel. Excel means extra large. So it's not required. This one also. Model scrollable also not required. So then model dialog center also not required. Okay. Now we can see static. Okay. So model is open. We don't have any content inside of this one. So that's why it is not open. Okay. So that's why it is not open. Opened, it's opened in top. Now inside of this one, so we can place. So by default, so we are having the model header. So div class equal to model hyphen header. Okay. So header close. Inside of header, so we are having the again model title h5 model title. So then after that, So we are having a button close button. Okay. So still now we can see open. Okay. So it is not closing. See now. So for suppose I am not using data hyphen bs hyphen backdrop. So now you can see open. So when I click on outside, it is automatically closing. When I click on outside, it is automatically. So I can place some content inside of this one. Then you can able to clearly see that one. Okay. So then model header is this one. So then after that, so div hyphen class equal to model body, model hyphen body. Okay. So this one is closed. So then after that, we are having the model footer. So div hyphen div class equal to model hyphen footer. So these three things we are having inside of model. Okay. So first we have to place model content. Model content, inside model content we are having the model header and model body, model footer. So these three type of things we can include. So model title, in the model header we can place the title, and also we can place the button. We can place the button. Now you can see, for suppose I am placing some content inside of model. Okay. So this is my model. Okay. This is my model. For suppose inside of this one I have a some form. I have some registration form or something. So whenever I am clicking on this one by accidentally, so after filling up some, after filling off of the form, I'm clicking outside. By accidentally, I'm clicking outside. So then entire form will close, then data also gone. Alright. So then for that's why, so we can use the here, where is this one? Here. So we can use the data hyphen, so bs hyphen backdrop, backdrop. Okay. So equal to static. So if we can give that one, so we have to close this back, we have to close this one by the is not closed, data hyphen bs hyphen not bd bs. Okay. See now it is not closing. So then we have to close this one. So if we want to close this one, we have to close, we have to place the close button again, right? So then we have to close this one. Here it is. We are having, we have to place a button. So then class equal to btn hyphen close. So then next one, so for data hyphen, so bs hyphen dismiss, data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss we have to give. Okay. So then data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss equal to model. So then close. Okay. So then close. Okay. If we have, if in the model footer, for suppose I don't have a form, I don't have a close button here. So then here I can place it here. Okay. So if it is a form, so then I can place the two type of buttons. One is one is save form. So another one is cancel. Cancel. Another one is cancel. So this one is, so btn btn hyphen danger. Okay. So this one is btn. So then btn hyphen success. Okay. Now you can see. So this is a footer. So if you are having the form, then we can click on save. For suppose if you want to close this one, so I can click on this cancel button. Okay, so we can place either cross mark to close this one, so or we can place a cancel button. So inside of body contents, what is the content based on requirement, we can place the inside of this one. Okay, so first suppose, so this one, so by default it is opening in top, right? By default it is opened in top. First suppose, so if you want to open this one in a center, we want to open this one in a center, browser center. So for modal dialog we have to give it, for modal dialog we have to give modal hyphen dialog center, center. Okay, now this one is open in center. So by default it will open in top. So then, so if you want to place a center, then we can place it a center. Okay, so we can see if it is having the end also, like bottom, right? Bottom, so no bottom, either center or top. Okay, by default it is open in top, so then it is a center, center. So then, so if you want to, if you want to increase this width, if you want to increase this width, so then we are having a modal hyphen, modal hyphen xl. Okay, rlg, rlg. So then we can see it, so width is increased. Okay, width is increased. So then if you want to xl, so then see, it's a full width. So then we are having the md also medium. So I think by default it is opening md. Okay, so sm, we will see, this is sm. Okay, so this way also we can increase the model sizes. Okay, model size. You want to close button also, you want to close it here, so then here, so btn hyphen close, so then no text here. So then now we are having both close icon and cancel. Okay, so this is the model. Where is this one? You can put lg. Okay, so this is the card, this is called the model. So this is the off canvas, so it is off canvas, so then right off canvas, so then model. Clear? So the next things is, after completion of model, so we are having the clear text, clear text. Okay, so for suppose if you can see, if you are having the two divs, if you are having the unclear divs in our application, so then if you can use the clear text, it's automatically next HTML element starts from the new line. Okay, 78.html. Closing all these things, removing. Okay, removed. So see, so container. So then after that, first suppose I have a two span elements. Okay, or anchor tags. I have a two anchor tags or tooltips. I have a these buttons, right? These are the tooltip buttons I have. All right. So then tooltips. So then whenever I am creating another another HTML element, so it is automatically applies from this one, right? So from next one, so I'm creating another button. Okay, button. So then, so here I have a save and cancel buttons. I have class equal to btn hyphen primary, and another button is danger, say cancel. So by default these things also apply from side, right? So when I give this one class equal to clear fix, so then it can be sp. Now you can see these two things are start from the new line. So that means clear fix means, so we can close this one, we can close this row. Okay, so whatever previous row, any unclosed divisions or any unclosed block level elements or inline element, so that one it is clear that width. So then after that, after whatever new elements came, it is coming from new line. Okay, so that is the meaning of clear fix. Okay, quickly and easily clear the floated content within a container by adding the clear fix utility. If you are having any float left or float right or any unclosed divisions, okay, so it is automatically clears and it will start from the new line. Okay, so the next one is the colored links. Colored links. So we are having different type of color links. How many we are having? So I think we are having seven type of contextual classes, right? So same thing. So how many we are having the bgs? So same thing, we are having the links also. Links also we are having. Okay, so then you can see a href equal to hash. So then class equal to link hyphen primary. Okay, primary. Okay, so it's a secondary. So then success, warning, danger. The next one info, info. So the next one light, light. Here we can add the text hyphen dark. Okay, so the next one is the dark. Okay, so now see, so these are the unclosed things. So then again, to appear all these links from to new line, so then I am giving the class clear fix. So then see, okay, primary, secondary, success, warning, danger, info, light, and primary. So if I am not giving the text right here, where is this one? So text dark, if not giving, so we cannot see the text. Okay, so it is appear in white color. So that's why I am giving the text dark. Okay, clear? So these type of things we are having. These are the colored links we are having Bootstrap. So the next one is the ratios aspect ratios. We are having the four type of aspect ratios in Bootstrap. Four type of aspect ratios in Bootstrap. Okay, so use the generated pseudo elements to make element maintain the aspect ratio of your choosing. Perfect for responsibly handling the videos and slideshows. Okay, so for suppose whenever we are taking the it is this one YouTube videos.
Stain Blaster.
Okay, here if you can see this one, so for each and everything, so this one also we are having the aspect ratio. So this is the aspect ratio of width and aspect ratio of height. Okay, at the same way in the Bootstrap also we are having the four type of aspect ratios. One is 1 by 1 and 4 by 3 and 16 by 9 and 21 by 9 for the different devices. Different devices we are having. So now we can see what is this one. So here it is. So ratio 1 by 1, ratio 1 by 1, it is for bigger screen. Ratio 4 by 3, it is a 1900-inch monitor. So for 16 by 9, it's a laptops and desktops, and 21 by 9 is the mobile version. 21 by 9 is the mobile version. So then we can see this. So I'm using the clear fix again. Here we are placing first one in 16 by 9. So we are placing the YouTube video. Okay. So that is by default desktop aspect ratio of any video. Any video. Okay. Ratio of 16 by 9. So then after that we are having the 1 by 1. It is for bigger screens. Okay. 1 by 1 is the bigger screens. Okay. So this is the one. So then 4 by 3, it's a 1900-inch monitors. It's a 1900. Okay. So then it is a normal desktops and normal desktops and laptops. Okay. So ratio this ratio is mobile. Okay. So this ratio is mobile. This video. Okay. So the next one by 1. 4 by 3. So then I can write the small css for this one. Yes, okay. Where is this one? So from here we are having, right? So from here I'm creating one div class equal to so then cyl hyphen lg hyphen pal. So then bd hyphen example hyphen ratio. Okay. So here this div I'm closing here. Okay. So for this one I can write this some small css to see those ratios. dot dot ratio. Okay. So then display, so to appear side by side, display inline block. Okay. So then after that width, for each width is 10 rem. Okay. So then color, color, so 0, 0, and border 1 pixel, solid and red I am giving. Now you can see. So this is for bigger screens. See these bigger screens, we are getting the all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So the next one is the 1900 screen. Okay. So then this is the laptops and normal screens. This screen is laptops and normal screen. This is the mobile screen. Okay. 21 by 9. 16 by 9 is the normal one. Okay, so now we are using this one, right? So for this one, so you can see 16 by 9 is exactly up here. Okay, so then if you can use this one, where is this one? Ratio 4 by 3. If you can use ratio 4 by 3, then you can see how this video will appear. Okay, so this video will appear like this. Okay, so if you can appear, if you can, what is the other one? Ratio 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means, so height and width both are equal. Height and width both are equal. Okay, this way we can see. Okay, so these are the aspect ratios we are having in Bootstrap. Okay, so the next one is text truncate. Actually, we can say we can close after text truncate. So why we are using this help us to visually hide the elements but keep them accessible to SSU technology. SSU technology. Text truncate. For suppose I have a big text. So up to here we are closed, right? So then from here, so H2 text truncate. Okay, so then now, so I have the class equal to col hyphen 2, that means very small. So then inside of this one I have a some dummy text. I have this text. Okay. So now I am using text truncate class. Text truncate class. Text hyphen truncate. That means so this complete text will appear in one line. So how much width it is having? Okay, so only that text only visible. So then remaining text it is it is looking so officially physically it is hiding. So then if you can see in inspect element, so we can able to see all the text. See now. So we can able to see only this much text. So remaining all text is hiding, but it is physically hiding. But when you see this one, when you see this one, we can able to see all the text. We can able to see all the text. For suppose if we can increase this one. For suppose if I can see call hyphen 6, that means half of the screen. So now you can see half of the screens, we can able to see only one line. We cannot see multi-line. So if you can remove this text truncate from here, from inspect element, now we are able to see all the text. It is showing multi-line, right? So what is the use of text truncate? We can able to show only one line of text. We can able to show only one line of text per width. So how much width we are having? So we can show only that much text, and also we can show in a single line. Okay, so then remaining text, it is automatically hiding. So at the end of that text, so we can able to show three dots. That three dot means, so still we are having a text. So then it is hiding because of the width is not sufficient for that text. Okay, so that purpose we can use the text truncate class. Okay, so use this help us to visually hide the elements. Okay, visually hiding the text. So then, so we can keep them accessible to assistive technologies. That means, so whenever we are having the, if we can implement some assistive technologies, so then the text we can able to read, we can able to hear that text. Okay, so then, so that is very helpful for assistive technologies, but so we cannot see the text. Okay, so that is the truncate. So then remaining things we can discuss on Monday. We are having the nav and nav bar. So then next one, so we are having these things, accordion collapse. Another two classes are there for Bootstrap. So then, so we can close the Bootstrap in next two classes. Okay, then fine. Thank you. So any doubts, so you can ask me, or otherwise we can close. Okay, then fine. Thank you.